Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully, you will be greatly blessed with health. And today's our topic is a good play. It's a lecture 5 of this topic, and today's our activity is about the summary writing. And let's see. First, we have to know what is summary. A summary is a short statement that gives only the main points of something, not the details. यानी कि कोई भी एक स्टेटमेंट है, एक शॉर्ट स्टेटमेंट है जिसमें सिर्फ मेन पॉइंट्स होते हैं, डिटेल ज़्यादा नहीं होती. यानी कि उसमें हम सिर्फ we have to just add the only the important points, not the whole detail. Write a summary. This is the question of today's activity. Write a summary and a good play. In the poem A Good Play by Robert Louis Stevenson, first we have to write the name of the poem, then we have to write the name of the poet. Who is the poet of this poem? Robert Louis Stevenson. The poet tries to represent his childhood memories and explain how contented he was with simple things in life. In this poem, the poet describes his childhood memories. यानी कि पोइट क्या है इस पोएम में अपनी बचपन की यादों को बयान करते हैं और बयान करते हैं कि वो किस कदर मुतमईन था अपनी ज़िंदगी में सिंपल थिंग्स के साथ या खुश था. The poet has stairs, chairs, pillows, nails and pails at home to play with without wanting for any other exorbitant toys. The poet के पास बचपन में स्टेयर्स यानी कि वुडन स्टेयर्स, चेयर, पिलोज, नेल्स एंड पेल्स यानी कि उसके पास घर में खेलने के लिए क्या थी, ये चीज़ें थी, लेकिन उसके पास ज़्यादा खिलौने नहीं थे और ना ही उसके पास इन चीज़ों की ख्वाहिश थी. यानी कि उसके वो उन चीज़ों ज़्यादा खिलौने हासिल करने के लिए उसके पास या उसकी ख्वाहिशात नहीं थी. He says that Tom and he built a ship with the furniture in the house and played until it was time for tea in the noon. In the earlier sentences we see that stairs, chairs, he used these, and also nails. He used these things for building a ship. This is the furniture he has at home and he used these furniture for making a ship, for building a ship. And Tom and he, it means both these persons, Tom and Robert Louis Stevenson, built a ship and played until it was time for tea in the noon. यानी कि दोपहर तक वो खेलते रहे जब तक चाय का वक्त ना हो गया. The poet portrays a life of contentment and happiness with simple things in life. The poet राहत यानी कि मुतमईन और खुशी वाली यानी कि ज़िंदगी को बयान करते हैं कि वो किस कदर मुतमईन था अपनी ज़िंदगी में सादा सी चीज़ों के साथ. The poet simply is reminiscing about his childhood days. Poet simply अपनी reminiscing mean recalling or talking about यानी कि अपनी यादों को, बचपन की यादों को बयान करना, याद करना. The poet simply is reminiscing. Reminiscing means describing, we can say that recalling or talking about. The poet simply is reminiscing about his childhood days. Poet क्या है, अपने बचपन के दिनों को बयान करता है. When he did not have any care for worldly desires or possessions, यानी कि उसके पास उस वक्त को याद करते जब उसके पास ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं थी, यानी कि वो दुनियावी चीज़ों का मालिक नहीं था और उसके पास ख्वाहिशात भी ज़्यादा नहीं थी कि उसके पास ये भी होना चाहिए, फ़लाँ चीज़ भी होनी चाहिए, फ़लाँ चीज़ भी होनी चाहिए. But the poet was happy with whatever the things he has in his childhood. Dear students, you have to understand this poem and try to write it on your neat notebook in these words, and you may add your own words for writing the poem of this writing the summary of this poem. आपने इस पोइम को अंडरस्टैंड करना है, उसके बाद इस समरी को अंडरस्टैंड करना है, उसके बाद कोशिश करनी है अगर कुछ सेंटेंसेस आप खुद से ऐड कर सकते हैं, वेल एंड गुड. You can make an effort for writing a summary. You can get the help from this point in this summary of the poem, and try your best, and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.